Okay guys, we've got a grime line already. Look at that. Fantastic. Let's go. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel, J&G Clean Solutions. Saturday morning, another little pressure washing job, just some patio and a little bit of paving. So here we are, take a look. So this is what we've got today. Some patio here, down this path, all this block slabbing over there, this area here, steps, and around the back here. We have got this bit of paving here, and then this area here. So it should come up amazing. I'm going to give it a blow and a sweep first. Some of the pointing is a little bit gone, but I have explained to the customer about that and they're quite happy. So yeah, it should come up fantastic. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, comment. Without further avail, let's crack on. Cheers. Okay guys, we've got a grime line already. Look at that. Fantastic. that's the cleaning done. What we're going to do now is apply hypo, not through the extract though, just cut in a small enclosed area. Right guys, done the front, like yellow brick road when I was cleaning it. But while it's dwelling, the customer has brought me a cup of char. Absolutely banging. So yeah, it's been a bit hard, but it's been good. The results have been fantastic. So get ready for the rinse in a minute. Okay guys, that's a wrap for Saturday. Here's the results. Fantastic again from J&J Clean Solutions. If you like the video, like, subscribe, it'd be fantastic. So here it is. Customer knows about this pointing. This is where the weeds were. All the weeds are clear. She's happy to repoint it. All the grey there, all lovely. Steps all banging. This was black. But absolutely fantastic results. Check that out. And then around the back and the side of the property. Great water pressure on this property. One tap, you have to stop once. And around here, check that out. Check that out. Oh my word. Check that out. Peeps, come on. Round of applause is deserved. All over here, so much brighter. Look at that. Amazing. Doesn't get much better than that. Also, did the path down here. Tried to shift most of the black spot, but it was quite bad. We did try and reapply, but didn't really come up. But from the befores, which you'll see, it's clean and fresh. But that is the main event. Okay, ladies and gents, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, be absolutely fantastic. Subscribers are going up quite quickly now. You're obviously all liking my videos. So yeah, hope you enjoy your weekend. Have a good bank holiday Monday. Next week, I've got my first bungalow roof clean. So it's going to be done the way where we scrape with the Anaconda pole from GVS and the blades from GVS, and that's thanks to Lee from Old School Window Cleans for helping me out with that, and Julia from Gutter Vac Systems for assisting me with the purchase. It's my first one, and they're also having the driveway done, so it's gonna be like a 2-3 day event, so it could be quite a long video, but might be worth the watch, watching me struggle. But hey, take care, have a good weekend, have a good one, see you later.